Finding the perfect toolbox for your Toyota Tacoma can be a game changer, keeping your tools secure, organized, and easily accessible. Whether you're a contractor, DIY enthusiast, or just want to keep your truck bed tidy, a well-designed toolbox can save you time and frustration. In this video, we'll review 3 of the best options on the market. And remember, all the product links are in the video description below. The UWS Gull Wing Toolbox is a top choice if you want quick, split-lid access to your tools. Its rigid core lids are filled with solid foam, preventing warping and ensuring smooth opening and closing. The extra-thick 0.058-inch aluminum construction is both lightweight and highly durable, resistant to corrosion. The built-in tool tray and screwdriver holders keep small items organized, while stainless steel handles offer long-lasting security. Plus, with pre-drilled mounting slots, installation is simple and straightforward. If you need a toolbox that can withstand tough conditions while offering ultimate convenience, this one is hard to beat. Next up is the UWS Classic Tool Box, designed for durability and easy access. Like the Gull Wing, it features the rigid core lid for enhanced strength and smooth operation. The extra-thick aluminum body is tough against impacts and corrosion, while widespread stainless steel handles allow for easy side access. The full 90-degree lid opening makes grabbing larger tools a breeze, and the included sliding tool tray helps keep smaller items organized. It's a reliable, well-rounded option for truck owners who need a rugged toolbox with thoughtful design touches. Finally, the UWS Angled Truck Tool Box is ideal if you need to maximize your truck bed space. Its low-profile lid improves rear visibility, and the angled design fits snugly without blocking wheel wells. Despite its compact design, it still features the same rigid core lid, extra-thick aluminum body, and stainless steel paddle handles for security. The toolbox opens to 90 degrees and includes a sliding tool tray for smaller gear. It's an excellent choice if you want functionality without sacrificing truck bed space. Whichever toolbox you choose, all 3 options deliver durability, convenience, and secure storage for your Toyota Tacoma. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to learn more or make a purchase. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future reviews.